Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power adjustable pedals, compass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.